Hi, right, I'm back at my desk now. So you were saying my internet is slow. Yes, okay. So I'll just turn my computer on. Just hold on a second. Okay, it's just warming up now. I'll let you know when it's arrived. Just hold on. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's still coming on. Just bear with me. So the computer, yeah, it's now come up with the ready prompt. Okay, so we're at the ready prompt now, so we're ready now. Right, so this is a Commodore VIC-20. So it runs Commodore Basic version 2. Hello? Loser. Hello? Yes, I've got a ready prompt and it's ready to take input now. There's no icons on here. This is a Commodore VIC-20 running Commodore Basic 2. It's a home computer. Yes, it's a CTRL. I see a letter Q next to the control key. So the control key is on the left side, then there's a Q next to it. The control key is on the left-hand side of the keyboard and the Q is next to it. No. This is a Commodore VIC-20 running Commodore Basic version 2. That's right. So I'm at the ready prompt at the moment. Yep, so it's waiting for input now. So I can load something from tape. Browser. Oh, I don't know what that is. It's a Commodore VIC-20. It's a Commodore VIC-20. Yes. Commodore VIC-20. Yes. Yes, it is a computer. That's right. I don't know what a browser is. I know Google's a website. I don't know any browsers. Yeah, I sometimes go to google.co.uk. It says site cannot be found, so it looks like my internet's gone down. I don't know what the browser is. It's built into the Commodore Basic system, so it uses its own browser. It just says Commodore on the screen. Commodore, yes. Oh yes. Yes, it's been very bad, the internet, the last couple of weeks, so thanks for calling. Great. Okay. Yes. Yes, it's colour purple. Yeah, the router's got a purple light on the front and it's flashing at the moment. Let's have a think. About 25 devices connected. Yes, that's right. Commodore VIC-20. It's a computer. Fine, okay. Yes, the computer, I've just turned it on, so it's now at the ready prompt. Yep, switched on. Okay, so well, the Commodore VIC-20 runs Commodore Basic version 2, so it's all command line. So no, I normally use Telnet to connect to other systems. CTRL. Yes. Oh, yes, I can see that. Yes. Next to it is the control. Is the Q key, the letter Q. Q. Yeah, the letter Q, as in Queen. You calling me a son of a bitch? I'm a bastard. 3 in a row.